We are An Cuong High-Tech Building Materials. We are a professional manufacturer of high-quality SPC clay block flooring, LVT Glue Down, wall panels, ceilings, and moldings from Vietnam. An Cuong was established in 2018 as a subsidiary of An Phat Holdings, the leading high-tech and environmentally friendly plastic group in Southeast Asia. We currently own two large-scale factories with a combined area of 50,000 square meters and a total production capacity of up to 10 million square meters flooring materials per year, 1 million square meters wall panel, ceiling, and accessories per year. Factory 1, specializing in manufacturing SPC flooring, wall panels, ceiling panels, and accessories. Factory 2, focus on producing SPC flooring and LVT Glue Down products. As two of the main product lines, SPC flooring and LVT Glue Down are manufactured according to international standards, meeting the most stringent requirements of the market. An Cuong's SPC flooring and LVT Glue Down boast several outstanding advantages, such as being non-containing formaldehyde and other harmful chemicals, ensuring absolute safety for health. They are also waterproof, preventing termites, scratch resistance, anti-slip, and effectively fire retardant. Diverse wood grain, stone, and colors. Easy to install with a click locking license from Unilin, Belgium. Alongside our flooring products, An Cuong's interior wall panels are also highly popular in the market and are trusted by customers. All of An Cuong's products go through a closed production process that consists of 5 steps. Step 1. The first step is to mix the ingredients. Plastic material, ultra-fine stone powder, and other additives are weighed and loaded onto an automatic launch system to ensure the ratio is accurate and stable. Step 2. The raw material mixture is put through the extruder system and pressed into core sheets with decor film of stone or wood grain, then covered with a wear layer. Step 3. 2 UV layers are applied to the surface of the sheet to enhance color longevity, fade resistance, stain resistance, and scratch resistance for the floor. Step 4. The sheets are divided according to the required size. The blanks are angled for SPC flooring to create a click lock for easy installation and to ensure long-lasting stability. Step 5. Each SPC floor blank is integrated with an underlay to increase sound and heat insulation, creating a comfortable feeling for users. Finally, the product packaging step is completed. Not only does An Cuong demand strict requirements on the quality standards of raw materials, but they have also established a rigorous quality control process. At our facility, we conduct rigorous tests on indentation, scratch resistance, and the adhesion of protective layers on both the surface and core layer using advanced feature testing machines. The products are also tested at temperatures ranging from 0 to 80 degrees Celsius to evaluate expansion and warping. An Cuong has been certified by ISO 14001:2015, ISO 9001:2015. Especially, the product has been certified by Floor Score, CE, ASTM, and CTPAT standards. With diverse designs and high quality, An Cuong's product lines are flexibly applied in various projects, from apartments, offices, hotels, and shopping centers. We currently have millions of loyal customers worldwide, along with a network of distribution partners such as the USA, the UK, Switzerland, Spain, Australia, Japan. An Cuong focuses on the research and development of new, high-quality, lightweight. This not only helps customers separate costs, but also contributes to environmental protection in order to achieve the goal of becoming a global enterprise in the field of high-tech interior plastic production. Welcome, reliable partner.